Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Amelia Foster, and I'm so glad you're here today. If you're a man over 40 or 50, you may have noticed that your energy, stamina, drive, or even motivation does not always feel the same as it once did. You might feel less eager to work out, less confident in intimate moments, or simply more fatigued throughout the day. One of the key reasons for these changes is a gradual decline in testosterone. Testosterone is a vital hormone that plays a central role in men's health. It affects muscle strength, endurance, sexual drive, mood, mental clarity, and overall vitality. As testosterone declines, many of the things that once felt effortless, from lifting weights to feeling confident in the bedroom, can become more challenging. The good news is that you can naturally support healthy testosterone levels. One of the simplest and most effective ways is through the foods you eat. And today, I want to focus specifically on nuts. Not all nuts are equal when it comes to hormone health. Some can naturally boost testosterone, while others can quietly work against it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which nuts to add to your diet for better hormone balance, which to enjoy in moderation, and which ones to avoid entirely. This knowledge will help you feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident, both physically and mentally. Walnuts, the brain-shaped powerhouse. Let's start with one of the best testosterone-supporting nuts, walnuts. They are easily recognizable for their brain-like shape, but their benefits go far beyond appearance. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting hormone production. Testosterone does not appear from nowhere. It is synthesized from cholesterol, and healthy fats are a critical building block in this process. Without enough omega-3 fats, your body cannot maintain testosterone at optimal levels. Walnuts also contain an amino acid called arginine. Arginine converts into nitric oxide in the body, which helps blood vessels relax and widen. Improved circulation benefits not only your heart and brain, but also the pelvic region, supporting erectile strength and stamina. Just a small handful of walnuts a day, added to oatmeal, salads, smoothies, or eaten as a snack, provides a steady supply of these essential nutrients. Consistent intake can help maintain energy, mood, and sexual vitality over time. Almonds, the magnesium and vitamin E marvel. Next are almonds, another excellent nut for supporting men's hormones. Almonds are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that is directly involved in testosterone production. Many men are unknowingly deficient in magnesium due to stress, poor diet, high caffeine intake, or certain medications. Magnesium deficiency can lower testosterone and make your body less efficient at maintaining energy and strength. Almonds also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects testosterone-producing cells from oxidative stress and damage. By including almonds in your diet, you're essentially giving your body armor for its most critical hormone-producing cells. Magnesium also helps release free testosterone, the active form that the body can actually use for energy, muscle strength, and sexual performance. This means that even the testosterone already in your body becomes more effective when magnesium levels are sufficient. Enjoy almonds as a quick snack, sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or as almond butter on whole grain toast. The key is consistency. A small handful daily is enough to support hormone balance over time. Pistachios, the green gems of circulation. The third nut is pistachios. These small green nuts are often overlooked, but they play an important role in supporting men's health. Pistachios are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and improve circulation. Healthy blood flow ensures that nutrients and oxygen are delivered efficiently throughout the body, including to the reproductive organs. Good circulation is critical for erectile function and stamina. They also contain plant sterols, which can help maintain a healthy testosterone to estrogen ratio, an essential factor for men over 50. In addition, pistachios provide protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a well-rounded snack that nourishes the whole body while supporting testosterone production. Eating a small handful in the evening can curb cravings without spiking blood sugar while keeping your hormones supported. Over time, this simple habit can translate into greater stamina, steadier energy, and improved confidence. Brazil nuts, the selenium superfood. Finally, let's talk about Brazil nuts. These nuts are one of the most potent sources of selenium, a trace mineral that is essential for testosterone production and sperm health. Selenium activates enzymes that help the testes produce testosterone and protect cells from oxidative damage. Clinical studies show that men with adequate selenium levels often have stronger testosterone balance, improved sperm quality, and better overall reproductive function. It's important to remember that with selenium, less is more. 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day provide all the selenium your body needs. Too many nuts can lead to excess selenium, which may cause fatigue or imbalance. Adding Brazil nuts to your routine, alongside walnuts, almonds, or pistachios, can give your testosterone the spark it needs for energy, strength, and vitality. Nuts to limit or avoid. Not every nut is beneficial for testosterone. 2 common nuts, if consumed in excess, can interfere with hormone balance. Peanuts are actually legumes, not true nuts. They contain higher levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when overconsumed. They are also prone to aflatoxin contamination, which can negatively impact liver function, a key organ for hormone regulation. An occasional peanut snack is fine, but they should not be relied on daily. Cashews are also high in omega-6 fats and are often roasted in oils or salted heavily, which can further increase inflammation. Excess omega-6 fats can suppress testosterone over time. Cashews should be eaten occasionally, not daily, if your goal is optimal hormone support. Conclusion. To naturally support testosterone, focus on 4 nuts: walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and Brazil nuts. These nuts provide healthy fats, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids, all essential for maintaining strong and balanced hormone levels. At the same time, limit peanuts and cashews to avoid unnecessary inflammation that can suppress testosterone. Simple, consistent dietary choices make a significant difference. Just a handful of the right nuts each day can support energy, strength, sexual health, and overall confidence. I'm Dr. Amelia Foster. Thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourself, and remember, small daily habits can have a major impact on your health and vitality as you age.